This is a quick tutorial where I show you how to disable pop-ups and redirects in Chrome. So let's get started. First, you have to go to Chrome and then click on the three dots which are on the top right. After that, go to Settings, and in Settings, select the third option, which is Privacy and Security. Then select Site Settings, that's here. And now just scroll down until you see this option called Pop-ups and Redirects. So here you can see which sites are allowed to and which are not allowed to send pop-ups or redirects. So this list over here are the sites which can send pop-ups, and let's say you want to remove some sites. Then click on the three dots next to it, and then you can remove it or block. So if you block, then it will be moved to this list over here, and this site can never send you pop-ups or redirects after this. So I'll do that. And as you can see, it's come to this list. So the same way, you can go through both these lists and remove whatever you want. And one setting you should change for the future is the default behavior. So this is a setting which a site will follow when you visit them. And in this, just select the second option of don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. So here's how it works. And if you want to clear cache in Google Chrome, check out this video. Goodbye.